Hey guys, this is me, Jonte2005 here, and today we are going to do a rant of a fake Windows version called Windows 97. I mean, Windows 97 was obviously not released from Microsoft. It was actually released by someone else. And and uh, and it is not because Microsoft would never release Windows 97. So here we are at Microsoft Windows 97 startup menu. Okay, so we have four options there: start the setup program and launch the fdisk to manage application and launch the MS-DOS prompt and start Windows 95 on live CD mode. But in order to start Windows 97 in live CD mode, you need at least 30 megabytes of RAM or above. I mean, I have 64 megabytes, so it don't matter. I'm gonna use the setup. Yup, that's what I thought. That is the fake. That was copycatted to Windows 95 startup. Your hard drive will be formatted. Okay, I press enter to start format. To exit install program, I do fdisk. Yes, I will enable launch. And restart. Missing operating system. Okay, try now. Okay. And there we are. Welcome to the Windows 97 setup program. This will install Windows 97 version 3.5 stable on your computer. It is strongly recommended that you close all other applications you have running before continuing. This will help prevent any conflicts during the installation process. Click Next to continue or cancel to exit setup. ID man 1994. Windows memory based on Camilla. I already know that it's based on Camilla because you used Windows 3 because Windows 97 has never existed because Microsoft would never release Windows 97. The only Windows version with 99X with 90 was Windows 95 and Windows 98 and Millennium Edition. And nothing else in the 9X series. But here we are in the desktop. And up here in the corner we have a warning message. Warning, and I'm going to read it. Okay. Warning. May violate and infringe copyright. Never sell this through countries as pirated exclusives, an item through sell. Call Myra Explorer. Okay, let's. What? It beeped. WinWare. Windows 97 version 3.5. Copyright 2012 ID Man 1994. Yep. I told you. Windows 95 doesn't exist. Oh no, I mean Windows 97. That was a mistake. Windows 95 exists, but not 97. Because, see here, because you know why? If I go to Program Manager or programman.exe and see Win32 applications. Subaha Medium Wiedergabe. It isn't. See, Microsoft Windows Program Manager version 3.11. Copyright 1985, 1993. Microsoft Corporation. I told you. That's what I'm talking about. If we go to Windows tutorial. Hey, that's I told you 3.1, but whatever happened to the mouse? Okay, we started. Starting Windows 9. Okay, if I do this, okay, look at this. If we try to break in the system, it doesn't show anything. Okay, so, that does not look like Windows 95 at all. It's not legit look-alike of Windows 95. It's obviously 3.1 and 3.11. It's a rip-off. Because if I press the start key, Windows key, nothing happens. Because if it were Windows 95, then if it was a modified Windows 95, then the Windows button will work. But it's 3.1, so it doesn't work. Fixed. I set it to this sound recorder. Okay, okay. Yep, I think that's all for the rant, but before this video ends, I'm gonna give you a bonus that I'm gonna transform this back to Windows 3.1. Okay. All we need to find is system.ini program. Windows Pro rogueman.exe. Okay, try to restart Windows. And there we have it. Windows 3.1. Back to normal. Okay, all we need to do is just delete Explorer Windows 97. I mean, I might make a version like this, but it's not a rip-off to 95 and 98 or Millennium Edition or XP, but it might be a custom one which Microsoft has never released, with titles that Microsoft hasn't used. Delete because this is not free cell. Yep. It's fake. Startup games and Rant. Because when I first oh, it has Windows 95 theme. Dang, thanks ID Man 1994. Okay, that's okay. I think that's all for this video. But before okay, starting Windows 97. Okay, I think that's all for this video. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like to see this video, if you like this video and want to see more videos from my YouTube channel, don't forget a comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And so I would recommend you to subscribe to my channel and click the notification for more if you want to see more videos like this one and newer videos, which is gonna be good. So, but anyways, don't forget comment, and don't forget a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Okay, so peace out.